So we're installing this ABtUS boardroom and classroom unit, which is fairly cool because all you need to do is run a Cat6 cable to where the projector is. The projector is going to sit there in the ceiling. It's got the audio split out here at the base, so you can connect that to a set of powered speakers. It's got a microphone input, channel select. You can turn your projector on and off from here. So it's fairly easy to transform a room from this into this. As you can see, this is a simple boardroom installation with a projector and a screen and one controller input box. So we've installed this ABtUS AVS320 input controller. It's got 3 HDMI inputs and a monitor out, also HDMI. There's also a microphone input with a 6.3mm jack input and a separate volume control for that. On this side we've got a VGA input and an audio input, so if you chuck your audio cable in there, you've got a separate volume control. The volume for the audio also works with the HDMI. It de-embeds the audio from your HDMI and sends that to a pair of powered speakers. And on the other side you've got USB-A and USB-B inputs. Operation is very simple. You just switch the unit on. This also switches your projector on. It flashes for about 1 minute while your projector warms up. Operation is very simple. You just select which input you want to use. Right now we're on HDMI 1. Select HDMI 1 and your source is selected. You can also select the VGA, which is on the side here, or press blank screen for a completely blanked out screen. The volume will control the signal coming from the HDMI source. When you're done with your whole session, if you want to turn off the system, just press the off button. Now, as I said, it's a controller. It controls your projector on and off. It uses an RS232 protocol. So if you have a screen that's controllable with RS232, you can drop your screen and turn your projector on at the same time, only by turning it on or off.